Alright, William from Williams, Philippines. Uh, yeah, it is April 26th. Yes, I messed up yesterday. The little short one I put out only had, it was a short one, and it had no audio. Apparently, I had hit the wrong button some way or another, and that camera didn't automatically stay on having audio. So, my bad. Sorry about that. I'm leaving it up as a, hey, here's my bad. So, and well, this one here is going to be a real quick, short one because I've got to get a few things done here real quick. It's a severe case of, well, the reason I haven't done anything much is, well, apparently getting chicken out of the discount meat bin and then letting it sit for 3 extra days isn't a bright idea. And yeah, explosive at both ends. Yeah, I felt like a jet exhaust at both ends. Uh, just now starting to feel right, and yeah, barely have eaten anything in the last 3 days. I'm starving but afraid to eat. My boss just brought me pork chops of some sort from Indian kind of food, and I'm about to try that. Of course, that's probably going to just explode me. But anyway, I'm going to make this a fast, quick, short one. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and I'm going to go take care of the couple things, and then I'm going to eat, and then I'll try to get back and actually put out a show for Saturday morning, or whatever, your vlog for Saturday morning, and have it go there. I am sorry that I did my vlog without audio for yesterday, and sorry this one here is so late today. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye bye. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and well, I'm Fish, and well, Fish is out.